some leaf thing, some gutters with leaves. And then last year we had to knock things off of other things, like tables. I don't know. I don't remember exactly what the whole point of it was, but you had to like go up and down and pick things up and put them through holes. So yeah, it was very useful. We wear aviators. If you don't know what those are, they're like sunglasses, you'll see. Okay, yeah, let's go. Yeah, so it's okay for things to go wrong. So this is what I wanted to touch on, because a lot of people join the robotics club and they're like, I don't know what I'm doing, and then they mess things up and they're like embarrassed. I've done more things wrong in the robotics club than things right.
That's true.
And I consider myself decent. So, yeah, honestly, I'm sure you guys do your STEM and all that, and I guess it's programming, right? No? Yeah, like they do the Scratch, right? Yeah, so you probably have more often than not, something doesn't work, which is great, because then you learn how to make it work. Now the next time you do it, it's fine, and the final product is always going to work. So you can go here. Advance the slide. Thanks. Okay. So that was our robot. You can't really see it because someone took the picture and didn't get it in there. I don't know. There's none of us. Someone took the picture. We all wear aviators. You can see that's me in the middle, looking fly, obviously. Everyone else, I'm sure you're going to recognize some people. You got Jonah up there not wearing aviators, so we just cropped him out. So yeah, that's North Jersey. It's really fun, and it's my favorite competition.
All right, for the next competition that we're going to talk about is the Panasonic Creative Design Challenge. Now, the overall arching goal of this competition is to create a robotic device that can just get around any complex environments. Like some previous years, we built a robot that can climb up a rope. And then the other year after that, we built a Tesla. The next year, we're going to perform some surgery on a patient. We will get judged on basically the quality of our written report, our oral presentation, our logbook entries, which we have to record every day. Like all our progress has to be recorded in this one book, and you have to be very detailed, add pictures or anything like that. Nothing needs to get left out because you get deductions after that. And obviously the performance of our robot. If it can perform the challenge, climb up a rope or anything like that, or perform surgery. So this is a challenge that we had to complete last year. We had to climb up that rope right there and clean the turbine. There was some stuff, I don't think you can see it. There was a white piece right there marked around the 5. That was a little Velcro piece that we had to take out, and our robot just had a little claw that just moved up and grabbed it and then went back down, put it in the little trash right there in the middle. However, there's some issues. We couldn't really complete that entire thing, but we got up. We did it. Now, we would like to have a team of about 6 to 9 people, but the actual team is made up of 3 people. And that is the drivetrain engineer, the manipulator engineer, and the programmer. Essentially, you all work together to create a robot that can move around and manipulate any objects that need to be manipulated, and basically coordinate with each other with each part and then put them together properly. And I cannot stress to you how important that is, because once you create your parts, you have to know how to attach them, because they're kind of useless if you can't put them on your robot. And obviously, program and wire an Arduino. It's a separate little task you have to do. Also, weekly check-ins with the captain, and obviously updating the logbook daily.
Hello, I'm Jonah Finkelstein. Alright, so this is Zero Robotics. This competition is it's completely focused on programming. And I know with Mr. Samaya, you guys do Scratch, but Zero Robotics is coded in C, which is a step up. With Scratch, it's more visual and it's in blocks, but with C, it's all in text. And so in the competition, you have a challenge that changes every single year. Last year, you had to drill for evidence of life, and this year, you had to avoid debris, like space debris. So you can see the interface in the top right corner up there, where you have two satellites. They call them spheres, and they navigate around the environment to complete the challenge.